Check it out. New wheels. Technically, well, yeah, technically I would say new wheels. We're gonna be putting on some new wheels, if you guys can guess already. I've kind of hinted it in past videos, so we're gonna be doing that today. We're gonna be slapping the E63 wheels on my E55, and we're gonna be putting my E55 black wheels on Monica's E55. Honestly, the reason why I'm going with this is because I wanna see how silver wheels look on the E55 before I end up getting new wheels for my E55. And honestly, I think silver will look the best. Black, it's decent, but majority of people that I've talked to and you guys from your responses, it seems like silver wheels will be the best wheels on this color combo. The black versus the pearlite gray and silver. I think it's gonna make it pop even better. And these wheels, honestly, they look really great. The offset on these are perfect. You check out the fitment. I mean, it's flush. It's not poking. Maybe it's tucked in just a tad bit, but for the rear, that is some perfect fitment right there. Mine, you can tell I'm running spacers. Once we switch them, we're gonna slap those spacers on her E55. It kind of works with both worlds because her E55 is black. Black wheels go with black, so you kind of have that murdered out black look going on. It's not gonna be terrible on her end, and it's gonna look great on her end. It's gonna look great on my end.
A few moments later.
You guys, it's looking really good on mine. This is how the front is looking. Obviously it's lifted because of the airbag. It's gonna settle once I open the door. It's looking really good. What do you think?
I like that, yeah.
I like it too. And dude, from this angle on camera, it looks really good, but in person, I don't know. I want to wait till we swap everything, get it out of the garage, because the environment makes it look different. When we first put on the black wheels on her E55, I was like, ugh. I mean, what do you think?
I don't like it.
She doesn't like it. Honestly, I thought it was going to work out perfect. And I don't know, to me, black wheels, stock black wheels on black E55s, it's a no-go. Like, you have to go aftermarket black wheels in order for it to look really good on a black E55.
I feel like if everything else was blacked out, then maybe it might look better.
Everything else?
But because I still have like silver accents and stuff.
I actually kind of see that also because of the chrome.
Badging and
Yeah, the badging.
Jording.
So this side is done. We're gonna complete the other side and we'll take it out and you guys can see the full look of how both cars look like. Oh my gosh, dude, this looks like a complete different car. This looks awesome. Oh my goodness, can't wait to show you guys. Dang, this is looking so good. I love these wheels so much that I feel like I don't even need aftermarket wheels, but obviously these are Monica's wheels and obviously she wants them. So if I'm gonna keep this, then hey, maybe she should just get aftermarket wheels and I don't have to. These wheels, I'll probably end up selling them. If you're local, eventually when she gets her new wheels, then whoever is available can pick them up. Honestly, I'm gonna sell them for really cheap. Let's get these cars out and show you guys how they look like. Guys, thoughts. I need to hear your thoughts. You guys have seen it. I know some of you are probably gonna like the black and black, and some of you are probably gonna say, hey, you know, give back her wheels. Also, don't mind her car. It's filthy dirty. It rained here a couple of days ago. Honestly, for mine, when I look at it, I'm thinking like, it looks a little too classy. It doesn't have that little aggressiveness to it because, you know, aftermarket wheels usually, it has that special taste to it versus, you know, the stock wheels. That's what I'm thinking. But I still think it looks really good. It makes the car look a little too classy to me, to my liking, but that's my preference. And obviously there's a lot of you that are gonna think, dude, this is perfect, like keep it. So I would love to hear you guys' thoughts in the comments down below. Should we keep this? I don't know. Like, you guys would definitely have to comment down below, because I really want to know exactly what you guys think about this setup, this look. If you also love it, smash the like button, guys. For E55. Well, I mean, what are you thinking?
I don't like it, but it's temporary, and I'm gonna give away some secrets in my video of what my plans are with this, so make sure you guys go and check that out, because this is not gonna stay like this for long. I don't like it like this, but that's my opinion. Obviously, I prefer the silver over the black on black, but it's temporary. So make sure you go check out my video to find out what my plans are.
The black on black looks really good, but for a stock wheel, not really feeling it. For this, the black on black, I think aftermarket wheels would give it that aggressive look.
It would be different, but black on black also just isn't really my taste. So we'll see.
Man, this looks so good. Honestly, yeah, this looks really good. Changes the whole look of the car. The other thing I also noticed was with her black on black, I think black on black with like the trunk lip, the diffuser, the side skirts, the front lip, man, that's gonna be killer on there. Anyways, if you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe as well if you guys are new to the channel, because hey, we're gonna be doing more E55 content, and if you guys own an E55 or a supercharged M113K, definitely go ahead and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. We got both E55s here, so you don't want to miss out on that. So I'll catch you guys later.